Welcome to Fanpage Karma. In this video I'm going to show you how to find influencers for specific topics with Fanpage Karma. Go to Discovery, under Profiles. Let's imagine you work for a retail company or a food company and you have a new line of vegan products, and now you're looking for a person with a big audience on social media to help you promote these products. Now, in order to find influencers whose audiences are interested in the vegan lifestyle, we need to find profiles that already made posts about the vegan lifestyle and got a lot of interaction for it. So let's search for post content and type in vegan. And also go to categories and choose person, because we want to find a personality and not just any news page or brand who posts about vegan. Let's also pick a larger time frame to get more results. Okay, great. Now all these profiles that are listed here made at least one post in the last 28 days, including the term vegan. Now you can go through them and also see how many followers they have and how much engagement they get. And click on them and check out if they fit your company and might be a good cooperation partner. You can check what they're posting about generally, how many posts, how many comments they get, what the users say, what are the top posts, what are the flop posts. And if the profile is interesting to you, you can directly add it to a dashboard and maybe select a couple of profiles that are interesting in one dashboard and observe them more closely. You also have the possibility to narrow down your search further by looking for profiles in specific countries, or by picking only specific networks. For example, maybe you only want to find influencers on Instagram. This is how you find influencers for specific topics. Enjoy browsing!